This is for you, Pat McLaughlin. Saving of the baby bird. In our nice yard. Oh, okay, baby. It's okay. We're not going to let you see it. Watch the hole. You're such a nice man. Okay. Don't worry, Pat. We're going to have to throw the spatula up. Oh, go ahead.
I'm waiting him.
Is that you shaking?
I probably killed him when I tried to
No.
move him
Go
off.
ahead. He'll
He's not moving.
I don't care. Just keep going. Keep going.
His mouth isn't moving. I think I killed him.
No, you didn't kill him,
I
honey.
think I did.
Well, maybe he's gone into stunned mode. You're doing everything you can to save him.
I'll be done with that.
Huh?
I'll be done with that.
Well, they would know what a nice person you are. If they don't know already. Right, Pat? Right, Pat? I wouldn't do this for everybody. But where's the stick?
I threw it away.
Why? You have to push it off. Okay, here it goes, Pat.
I really do think he's dead, though.
Well, just put him in there,
How
honey.
about if I put him in here?
No, you have to put him near the nest.
Well, there's a piece of wood there.
Well, put it in as far as you can. Good job, honey.
Ah.
What happened? Oh.